do today. And I've washed my car, but I don't think you know that. And I've lost it for a month. So I'm gonna try and get it back today. Also, I'll have to wait for the day tomorrow. So let's get into it. Guys, I'm coming up now. And I just have to ride the bike there because see my car is there. So I guess I just have to go there. So I'll meet you when I'm there. Guys, and I'm just gonna sit. Oh, I don't want to get stuck again. Oh, I don't think it's. They just said that they need to have it for one more day because it's smoking. So I guess I'll have to come back tomorrow. And I'm just gonna go into them and see what time it is. So guys, good news. The good news is that I can get it tomorrow, but I'll have to wait till this time tomorrow. So I have to wait 24 hours. I have to collect it at 8:30 p.m. tomorrow, not today, sadly. Oh my god, I just keep getting in the pool. And as I get home, I'm just gonna lock my door. And if you don't know, I stay up till like 10 o'clock watching TV in my bed here. So I just watch TV until it's 10 because it just gets me more relaxed. Then I can just turn the TV off. And then if this bed doesn't get more comfier, I'll just use the one over there. And let's just wait for the morning. Guys, I just can't get sleepy. So I'm gonna just chill upstairs because if you don't know, I hurt my back and I might need a hospital. I don't know. So my back's a bit, it hurts a lot. Oh, I can't place the house. I'll just close all the bones and have a banana. But I just can't get sleep. I'm gonna try to go to sleep outside because who knows? Maybe I can just fall asleep out here. Guys, I just had to ban some from house because look, they're trying to sleep him back in. Oh my god, that's so annoying. And now I have to go back in my house and delete props. Look, props and sleeping bags removed. So guys, I'm gonna check back at 8 o'clock, like in the morning, so 7 hours. And then I'm just gonna go to that and ask if I can get it for them. So I'm just gonna try to head to sleep. Guys, I'm just gonna check now because they said they will be ready tomorrow, but I remember that they say 8, but I didn't know if it was PM or AM, so I'm just check with them now. Guys, I'm literally so happy. They said I can take it home today. Let's go. It was smoking, it was on fire, but now I've had it. It was a week ago. I haven't had my car for 5 days, so I'm so happy that I get it back today. So let's just take it for celebration drive because I don't know. But my back still hurts, but I think it's fine. So guys, I'm just going to show you what I actually did. So I was coming down the hill here, then someone pushed me off here, and then I just went straight down and flipped my car. And I had a bit of brain damage, but it's fine now. And it was on fire. So that's what happened. I wasn't filming because I didn't even know what was happening. What does that mean? I don't know. Oh, this is a car. So maybe I should get it because I can change it now. Oh, I'll just walk straight in. What are they doing, guys? They're taking me out. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna get a new house. I'll be right back. Guys, I was getting my new house and this person just pulled a gun at me. I think I'm to jail, but I didn't even do anything. Why they point a gun? Oh my god. I'll just have to get in the car. Oh my god, what did they do? I didn't even do anything. Just driving around. I was going 70. What is even happening here? Guys, if they actually send me to jail, I'm breaking out. Oh guys, this is so bad. Guys, should I run away? Oh my god. God, this is so annoying. Oh, gee. Guys, this. Guys, why are they punching? I do not even. That's it. I'm breaking out. Ah. Guys, I broke out. I broke out. Let's go, guys. I can't believe it. I'm going. Whee! Oh my god, I'm so happy I actually broke out. I literally can't believe it. So where's that useless police? Is it here? It's them. I'm running away from them. This is so funny. I'm literally in a police chase now. Oh my god, what did I even do? Comment down below if I even did anything, guys, because I don't even think I did anything. I'm just so scared. What if they actually get my house now? And just chop it down? Oh guys, it's them. I see it. I suppose. I'm right behind them all. I'm following them. Guys, do they even care I broke out? I thought they were running for me, but they're not running for me anymore. Hello! Hello, kid! Hello. Guys, I'm gonna steal their car. Wait. I'm gonna give it back. There you go. I gave them the car back. Just thought I thought they'd arrest me again, but I'll be back with my new house. I'll be back. Bye. Guys, I'm back. I've got a new house and a new car as well. I'm just gonna wrap my house in a different colour. There we go, that's perfect. So now let's go for another celebration. Because I broke out of prison. It's so funny that I literally broke out of prison just because I had to wait a day just to get my car because I crashed it. Like, guys, that's so unfair. Whenever I see police, I'm scared. This person's the same house as me. Don't want to drive off that edge, or that would definitely set my car on fire. I'm losing grip. Oh my god, guys, that was so close to breaking my back again. But my back still hurts, so I'm just going to there just to get checked out. God, cool. Is there anyone even in? Are these two curtains? No one's in there, but no one's in. That's weird. Because I got the machine stuck. Just my banana. Maybe I should go shopping or something else. I'm going. Guys, where do I actually go? Oh, I think it's this way. But I just checked it out and it's fine. So that's good. But I'm just gonna do the end of the video there, or I'll show you guys around house first. And why did I say first? I'm silly. Because so here's the first bedroom. I don't sleep that long because I don't know, because if there's like a car, it could like get me and wake me up. So that's why I sleep on the top floor with the room that's a safe. I don't sleep in that one. That's the first one's for my visitors. This is for my children if I actually get some. And this is my room, and of course I have the safe in my room. So I'm going to end the video there. So make sure you watch, like and subscribe. Keep watching. Don't unsubscribe if you want to keep watching our videos. Bye!